how to hide likes on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can hide likes on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide your likes on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, just tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side and then you will set this type of interface. Well, what you need to do is just simply tap on this little gear icon from here to come to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy you'll find many options, and one of those options are definitely going to actually be reaction preferences. So tap on reaction preferences. Now you can choose to hide the likes on the post from others or on your own post. By turning this one on, you will not be able to see likes on other posts. By turning this one on, other people will not be able to see likes on your post, including you. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.